Literature review in research is the aspect of study that would make you to look out for what other people may have done in your area of study. So you dig deeper into the outcomes of several scholars who may have done something relevant to your area of study. It is within this aspect of study that you can arrive at different gaps in knowledge, with which could help you formulate the objectives of your study to help bridge the gaps in knowledge. This aspect is critical, and it is the aspect that ought to have been handled before moving to other aspects of the research. So what do I mean? Before even figuring out your research study, the topic for your research study, you dig deeper into literature review of your research area of interest. So try to know what other people may have done in that aspect, in that regard, and note their results, the outcomes, the methods that they used, and the results that previous scholars were able to get relevant to the area of your study. Now you look at the phenomenon of the area that you intend to undergo your study, and think about this. Were these researchers able to exhaust all there is about this particular area? Look out for areas where they were unable to advance knowledge, or areas where previous scholars may have failed to venture into. Beam your searchlight on gaps in knowledge. Look out for them. And when you are able to pinpoint those gaps in knowledge, think about it. Will you be able to bridge these gaps in knowledge? Do you have the needed facilities to design a research that could help solve the problems? So if your answer is yes, articulate those gaps in knowledge in the form of objectives. Have those gaps in knowledge broken down into objectives of study, like 4 or 5 or 3 objectives of study, and see if you can conduct a research that could help you get vital information to bridge those gaps in knowledge. So this literature review would help in no small way to figure out the objective of study, and also how you can go about bridging the gaps in knowledge. In the next video, we'll look at how to write Introduction to Research. And if the video is out, just click on it on top of here and you watch the video. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye-bye.